Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 47 displaying images in MVC. So in this session you will learn how to display image in the form of MVC. Before watching this video, please watch my part 45, 44, 45 and 46. In my part 46, I was explained about jQuery calendar using datepicker class in MVC without any class attributes. So let's flip to the Visual Studio and we will run the program and check how gonna it happen. So this is my output at the last and I need this image control. Okay, so flip to the Visual Studio. Now this is my employee table and I want to add two fields, photos and alternate text. Alternate text for photo name. Okay, so I will use this alter table employee add photos and varchar 100 and alternate text and varchar 100 types. So this will add two fields, photos and alternate text in the table. Okay, I already done it, so no need to again run. And inside of these photos and alternate text, I want to add some photos and the name for the text. So like this, update employee set photo equal to tilde sign slash photos. So it will go to the folder photos. Okay, in the solution explorer application I have added here this photo folder. You can see here this is photo folder, photos folder inside of this web application one. Right click this, create this folder. Okay, and inside of this folder I have added some photos, three photos. Okay, and to save the path of this photo, I will use this query update employee set photo equal to tilde sign backward slash photos and the name of the photo devendra.jpg and alternate text. Now I don't need this and well type of this field and where id equal to 1. Okay, alternate text equal to name of the photo. Same like that for 2 and 3 also you can add and update that one. So after I have updated all these three and you can see here the result, these strings are added inside of this photo folder, right? And in alternate text there is the name of the photo. So now flip to the application and create this folder of the photos and inside of that I have added these three photos from existing photos. Okay, now what I will do, I will create the method for edit. So this is abstract folder controller. I have already created this default controller and this controller have this edit method. Okay, and I want to display the details of the employees, so I have written this code, fetch the single id of the employee and return it to the view. So right click on this, create page. Okay, and select details template and model class as employee model class. I think I have already added this, so right right click it and go to the view. Okay, this view page now displayed here and I have added some styles. Now I will add in the field of photos, the display field will display the name photos and I will add photo using this image text. So write img src equal to @url dot url.content. So url.content, and inside of that I will use this model model dot photo. So model dot photo. Okay. and for alternate text, what do you need? You need alternate alter equal to name of that photo. So alter equal to model dot alternate text. Okay. And complete the tag. So it will display the photo here, and at two fields which are display the alternate text will be like this. So copy this and add it here. Okay. This display name for model equal to model dot alternate text, add here display for alternate text. So this. Okay. So you can see here I have added this image tag and photos folder in the application, and put three photos and create two fields in the table. Okay. Now I will run it and check it. So default is my controller name, details is my view page name, and I want to display first number IDs records. Okay. You can see here this photo is added and alternate text Devendra Nikam is added here. Okay. And to give the size for this photo, you require to update the size. So right click on this photo, open with this paint application and lower the size of this photo. How to lower this size? Resize it and give suppose 15%. Okay. Save it. Okay. Now F5. Refresh the page again. Shift F5. Okay. You can see here now photo size is lower. So like this, if you want to remove this alternate text name, then you will delete this field. Okay. And check. Okay. So alternate text is removed now. If I want to don't use this image tough tag hardly coding, then there is helper. So HTML helper @HTML dot image, and you can add like this at the rate model dot photo at the rate model dot alternate text. Okay, like this you can easily modify or use uh, direct tag, no need to complexity use. Okay, so we will see this in the later session. Okay, so I remove this. So this is the end of my video session. Thank you for listening my video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day.